Guys, this is my night routine. I'm excited to say this. I'm not judging anyone. Hi guys, my name is Ganita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good and I am doing good too. So this video is all about the night routine. Okay, what does the night routine means? What I will do from evening to night. Okay, so basically I am so exhausted. I have shooted a video for my YouTube channel and that was so much fun, but it had so much work to do. So right now I'm so exhausted. I have just finished shooting and I am in this bathrobe because I can't change my dress. I am so lazy. I have done so much work and I have so much work to do. I will show you guys that how my room is right now. Don't get afraid. I will show you right now. Okay, you can see the mess around my room. I have two table fans, like one short, one big, so that the height I can get air. And that's it. This is my room, and this mess it is. I don't know how I'm going to clean this mess. I'm so afraid of my room right now. I don't know why, but I have to clean it up, and we are going to clean it. I hope you have seen my room and how messy it is. Just ignore this mess, guys. Please don't mind me. And I thought, why not? First, I will drink something and then I'll start cleaning my room and I'll start editing. I have so much work to do and I have a good news to tell to you guys. I will tell it later. I can't speak.
5 minutes later.
I will tell it later. First, we will go and drink something. I'm so exhausted. I can't, and my back hurts so much. I don't know why. I have to do something with that also. Yeah, let's go. So much of obstacles to clean my room. Still now I have not cleaned my room. I said that I was texting my friends and then I gone out and drank coffee and then my friend called me. I was talking and I did not end up cleaning this room. So now it's like 6:30. Yeah, it's 6:30. Wait, I'll see. So yeah, it's 6:30. Within 7 we are going to clean this room and within 8 we are going to do all the stuff we have to do. So at 8 I have to eat and then I have to sleep by 9:30 today because I want to wake up tomorrow early morning 4 o'clock. This is my daily routine basically. So yeah, let's go and clean the room and I'll meet you guys after cleaning my whole room. Bye. See me, right? I am so tired, you guys. I have finished cleaning my room. Now it's like, I'll see the time, right? It is 8 o'clock. Okay, I'm not hungry, so that I think so I will eat at 8:30. Until then I'll go and chit chat with my friends for some time. It will be like crazy and I will get you back within 15 minutes. I have to tell you guys one good news. So I will be back in within 15 minutes and then we will have fun. I will be telling you that what is more important happening is happened in my life. So keep on watching. I'm excited to say this, but okay, I'll tell you guys. One, two, three. Ta-da! This is a phone, you guys. Wait, I'll show you. You can see, right? It's not focusing. So So basically the story behind this phone is nothing but my father wanted to buy new phone, so I said that you can buy new phone, but you have to give me the old phone back to me because I wanted to use it. But I don't. He said that you can buy new phone rather than using this old phone, but I am not interested to buy new phone because I am in the aim that if I'm buying next phone, it is going to be my own money. So now I have a Vivo V7 Plus phone which I'm using for taking videos, and I am going to use this phone for my uploading and my editing work because my phone, this phone is hanging so much. I can't handle it because I have to uninstall everything. Basically I'm using this phone for my studies and for my YouTube, so it is clashing so much. So I thought why not, I will be editing and I'll be uploading this YouTube stuffs and Instagram stuffs in this phone, and this phone is for taking videos, and I will copy everything in this phone and then I will edit and then I will do this because basically the app which I'm using for editing takes time. Okay, when I'm using that app I can't use any other app, I can't go outside the app also, so I should stay there for 15 or 20 minutes. I thought that why not we will do in this phone so that I can do any other thing, like I can do thumbnails or I can edit something like description, so it will be like, yeah, you can do simultaneously work. So I am I am thankful and I'm grateful for giving this phone to me. My father has no idea that how much it is going to help me. This is going to help me so much, you guys. When I'm using this phone I can't hear songs, I have to open my laptop, I have to put songs on that. So now I am having this, I'm going to hear songs, I can do whenever I want anything. So I am happy. Thank you so much for my dad and for God giving me this. I'm grateful for everything I am having till now and going to have. So this is that surprise thing, and I am going now. It's time like 8 o'clock or 8:30. I think so. Wait, I'll see the time. No, I can see this. Okay, this now I am going to work on this phone. I'm going to uninstall. See, no, sorry. I am going to install every app in this phone, and I'm going to use it today itself because I have to edit by today if I can, so that I can upload tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is Monday. I'm going to upload a super duper video tomorrow. So let's go. Guys, we have synced our account in this mobile. I'm so happy. It's going to be fun. Yeah. Time around 9:30, I think so. Yeah, wait and see. Yeah, it's 9:30. So within 10 I'm going to sleep. No, today is Sunday and it's fun day, so I thought why not let's binge something. So okay, before that, before ending this vlog, I have to tell you guys that there is so important thing what I do in night. So I write journal, I plan for the next day, and third thing is I will read a book at least for 10 or 15 minutes, at least half an hour. So today is Sunday and I am thinking of watching Friends. So I think I will not study today anything, but I wanted to because yesterday where I stopped it was so interesting. So let's see that how it goes. So now I'm going to plan. So I will tell you guys how to plan, what and all to do. So yeah, let's go. Guys, I am with few books like my notebooks. See, these are the 4 notebooks which I use in daily days. So I'll show you one by one. Okay, let's go. I have already said about journal many things in my video. You can go and watch there. Basically journal is so important to know about yourself, where the journal will help you guys to know about yourself, like you need what you need and what you need. Basically it will improve and make yourself clear that what you need at the end of the day. So don't forget to write journal, start journaling. It's never too late. You can start even now after watching this video. You can start. So please guys, start journaling. It's so healthy habit. So I will write one question today. You guys can see that, but I'll not show what answer I'm writing. So yeah, I have finished writing journal, and next what I'm going to do is my 3 steps. Okay, these are the basically 5 steps. So now I have done with my first step, this one. So my second step we are going to do, that is what is the plan for tomorrow in the study wise. Okay, we are going to plan for tomorrow that what I'm going to study and what I'm going to do revision. So basically that I'm a student, so I have to study also, even doing a YouTube. So I will plan for tomorrow's what I have to study, and then I will tell you guys what I'm going to do. I finished with my planning with my studies tomorrow. So yeah, so I'll go with the third one. The third step is YouTube. So I will be uploading three videos for a week, like Monday, Wednesday and Friday, but I really don't know that when I will be able to upload. So anyhow, I will be uploading 3 videos for a week. So I have planned some few topics for the whole whole June month. So I shooted today 4 videos. I have to cancel it, that what I have shooted, and so that the next few videos I'll be shooting next Saturday, Sunday. So yeah, let's do that. That's it, simple. I know it's just 2 minutes work, just cancelling the videos which I have done. That's it, no more planning, because that planning will be the month end. So I'll be doing that video too. So keep on wait for it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I know I'm saying this a lot, but you guys are not doing it. That's why I'm saying it a lot. And the fourth one is, this is a book which I got from a school event, I think so. I don't remember, but I got this at my 7th standard. I do remember that. I don't know 7th or 6th. I do remember that this book. If some of my old school, no, I don't want to mention that school name over here. So what is this diary about? Okay, this notebook is my fave because it is spiral binding. I love spiral binding notebooks. So this is something bucket list, everyone has that. So I have been writing down at least one bucket list in everyday basis. So not everyday basis, I don't know that I will be finishing it or not, but I want to write something. So today I am going to write about the place where I have to visit, and that is the so gorgeous place which I have recently found. I don't know. Okay, recently I know that place where which was existing, but I don't know how it looks. Okay, so that the place name is Georgia. I know many people don't know that place, but please go and Google it. It is so good, you guys. It is so beautiful place. I want to go there. And this are my. So you can see that this is this much. These are the places where I want to visit. I don't know I'll be filling it or not. I know I don't have anything where I should not even think about it, where I can't even think about it, but I'm doing it because I know one day or another I am going to go there, because I'm here because I thought I will be here. So yeah, I'm planning it. Let's see. I don't know. I wanted to travel always alone, and I'll be traveling with my family members or friends or me alone. Okay. So yeah, I have written already about Georgia. So I'm just writing the place name like Georgia. That's it, because I'm not going to go everywhere, but I have selected few places where it is in the top of my bucket list. Let's see how it goes. I don't know about future. I don't predict futures, but just enjoying the moment. That's it. So yeah, the 4th one is over. The 5th one is, so this is basically sticky note. You guys know that. So I am going to write down what and all I should do tomorrow, like YouTube and studies, and I'm going to stick over here, so that I can, I can tick it, and it will be reminded for me always, because it is going to be front of me. If I do not do that, it is going to regret me a lot. So let's write and stick it over there with you. Okay. I have done this. I'm going to see. I'm going to stick it over there. You guys are going to see. where I'm going to stick. So let's stick it. Yeah guys, done. This is the board where I brought it from DMart, I think so, for 120 bucks. So where I write a motivational quote for every day. So you guys will see this on morning routine. Basically I do not write anything over here because this is weekend, you know, having fun time. So I will write this in the morning. So you guys will see that in the morning routine. So wait for it. This is my night routine, and I have to do my skincare, and I have to brush my teeth, I have to drink water, I have to take my supplements and vitamins tablets, and then I'll go to sleep. So I'll be taking you guys with me, don't worry. So let's see. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this night routine. This is what exactly I do, and there are some elements added here and there. Don't mind because we need content, okay? You guys can't get bored like the normal routine. I need to add some elements so that it will be interesting, so that you guys can watch without any bore. And I hope you guys enjoyed it a little bit and or more. I'm not judging anyone.
Oh my god!
So if you guys like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. If you guys don't like, then just give thumbs down. It's okay, fine. Everyone have their own preference. So I will see you guys in my next upcoming video. Until then, stay positive, stay happy, and bye.